Good morning, sir, and good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. So Tejasvi, we are telling first time good afternoon, good evening, right? Good. Good to see you this time. Yeah. Tejasvi, நீங்க வரைஞ்சிட்டு கல்யாணுக்கு வந்து வரைஞ்சு காமிக்கணும். ஓகே? ஓகே?
Good evening, Chitappa.
கல்யாணுக்கு வந்து வரைஞ்சு காமிக்கணும்.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, hi everyone. Hi Azad. Hi Aradhana.
Hi,
Yalini,
sir. Good evening,
Sanchita.
sir. Sir,
Evening,
can I use
Archana.
Jyoti and
Okay.
Jyoti?
Yes, we want today we will start with 4p, then after that we use 6p or
8B.
darker pencil also we'll use, EE pencil also we'll use, okay?
Sir, can I use 8B?
W
I
pencil
don't
also
have
we'll
EE.
use.
I don't have EE, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Quickly I will see today we are going to draw king of jungle. Okay. Okay, quickly I'm going to see. Okay, so Vedas is showing the pencil sketch, color pencil sketch. Looks like my internet is not very fast. Internet issue. I'm seeing it is beautiful, Vedesh. Color pencil you have used very nicely. Looks very good. All the colors. For the leaf, you can make it more dark. For the leaf, okay?
Okay, Chitappa.
Good.
I was absent in the last coloring class, so I should.
Okay, good. So let's get started today. Before that, Tejasvi, Kalyan, and Swarnesh, probably they have sent their homeworks. So I'm going to see from Swarnesh. Swarnesh is showing. Swarnesh, it is
Chitappa,
looking
I
very
have
nice.
not yet done my homework.
Okay, Swarnesh, it is looking very good. The contrast is good. Clouds are looking good. The house also looks good. But the roof of the house, கொஞ்சம் red இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். Okay, can be a little more red. So maybe you have, I'm not sure you have completed. And so some more and the front வந்து some flowers, yellow and red flowers போட்டா நல்லா இருக்கும். Okay, Swarnesh, good work. Background is very nice. Nice work. Nice, good, nice improvement. So I'm going to show you some works. Yeah. Is it okay? Nandan, Mithila, Nitila, they have sent their work. It is looking very good. Nandan, Nitila, and Mithila. So I'm going to show their works they have sent in WhatsApp. Quickly, I'll show their works. So this is what Nandan has done. The cloud is looking good. In the front you can add flower like thing. Okay, Nandan. So this is looking good.
Okay.
So this is Nitila. This also looks very good. I like the roof, the colors used. It is good. This Mithila also very nice, bold and.
Thank you.
So you can add more lines. Okay, you can add more lines. So the தண்ணி reflection மாதிரி thin lines you have to add. Add பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும். Okay, very good work. Okay, good work. Okay, so let's start sketching today. So I show my. So I'm seeing that Sandhya, Sukanya all joined, and Mokshita also joined. That is good. So in these classes, we'll be moving little fast, okay? Not like a course one, sketching. So you have to, I want you to draw little fast and see what you can do, okay? You can draw a little fast and see what you can do. I may not be able to review all your works because there are more people have joined. So I'll try my best to review your works. Okay, so let me change my camera and show you. So today we are going to draw
Sir, today pencil sketching, sir.
pencil sketching and சொன்னே சொல்லுங்க திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க மெதுவா சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, today pencil sketching, sir.
Pencil sketching, ஆமா. This is 2 months over. Third month is the first class pencil sketching. Next week same time it is oil pastels. அதுக்கப்புறம் next after that watercolor and after that acrylic. This is the first class of this and we are starting with the pencil sketching. Okay, and we are going to do a detailed sketch. So we are going to draw king of the jungle. Who is that?
Lion. Lion.
Tell me.
Lion.
Yes. Exactly. So I am going to see how patient you are. Okay. See, I'm going to draw the lion, and the lion has a big beard. So that also we are going to draw. So I am going to plan such a way that so we can draw the beard also. Okay. So in my paper, so you have to notice that this is the height of the face. Then it is going to have. So I'm just drawing a line here. Line to start line with for a line. So this is the head, the height of the head. Okay, height of the head, and I'm just drawing thin lines. These are all guiding lines, so which we will erase as you know. So I'm just drawing a
Sir, your
line
screen
here.
is looking blur.
So I'm drawing very light. So maybe let me increase the brightness of my camera.
Sir, now we couldn't even see the pencil sketch.
So I'm just drawing a line here. So this is the line, and in the middle, I'm just keeping a dot, just making a marking the middle point. Okay. Then this is the middle point. So around this middle point, I'm just making a circle here actually. So we do this because we want to get good symmetry. We want to get good symmetry. So for that, I'm doing. There is one circle like this, and there is another circle. So see, the circle can be. Don't worry if it is not very perfect. Even if it is approximate, it is all right. Okay. So don't worry too much about the circle. See, I'm trying to get a circle, and it goes wrong. Then I use these multiple lines and trying to make the circle. So this is how I draw the circle. See, I've used multiple lines. So I will be erasing all that.
Sir,
inner
please increase the
circle is for
brightness
the
of your
nose.
screen,
The
sir.
outer circle. This is looking very bright, is it?
Yeah, bit, sir.
Okay, I'll just reduce it. Is all right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, now it's all right.
Okay, good, good. Yeah. Okay, Sukanya. So the multiple lines which I used, that I'm trying to erase. Also, even the middle line, which is not needed. Okay, so I'll erase it a little later. So I'll leave it like this. I'll leave it like this. Okay, so now slowly I'm taking the camera closer so that you can see better now. So I'm going to draw the nose from this point to this point. Is a nose. So initially for the proportions, I'll draw slow. Then after that, maybe I might draw faster. Okay, and try your best. That is all I'm trying to say. So this point here is the nose. So this portion I'm just making it dark, little darker. I'm making it, and so the nostrils also you can draw. So this I'm making it like this. So we are going to try to draw a real looking king of the jungle, and the line also coming down like this. Just making this line also, so it is thicker actually, like this. So this nostrils, there is a right and left. I'm just making a hole. So I made this line, and I'm going to give some shading here actually. So I'll wait now for you to complete. Some shading I'm giving. So it is easy from this point. I'm just making two lines. So one line goes like this, another line goes like this, trying to make a good symmetry. Both the sides, it should look same, kind of. Then we have that inner circle. So the inner circle just above, little above the inner circle. I'm just making a line here actually, because this line is going to help me to draw the eyes, where to place the eyes. So the middle point, just above the nose, I'm just drawing this line. Okay, then there is a inner circle, and the circle male, I'm just drawing a line like this. This line goes up and meets this line. Okay, so I'll wait here.
Sir, should it be straight or could it be a little curved?
Straight. But after making straight line, if it meets here, then little bit next to it. So this is the starting point of the eye. Next to it, I'm just making a dot. That's the starting point of the eye. Okay. So maybe you have to observe now. How do I make the eye? Um, so this eye. So look at this. I'm just making a curve like this. There is a nice looking curve. This is the curve. Now both the eyes have to be at the same size. Okay, let's make one eye first. This is the first curve I'm making it. Then after that, below this, I'm just making something like a circle. So these eyes are looking very pretty, nice, beautiful eyes. Almost all the animals have beautiful eye. I'm just making this. So the line which goes up a little further next to, there is a small gap, then I'm doing this. The same way here, there is a small gap. So here also I have to do the same. So there is a nice curve goes up like a human eye only. But after making this left eye, I'm checking if both the eyes are of same size. So I have to make sure if both the eyes are of same size. If not, you have to erase it and do it. So we let us spend a good time here actually. If you get this eyes, nose, mouth properly and the face structure, then the rest all the things are quite easy. Uh, my camera has some focus problem, so I'm trying to get it corrected. So this is the approach. Okay, so in the first sketching class itself, I'm telling that using simple basic shapes, we can get the drawing, any complex drawing correct. So that is what still I'm drawing. Even now, any drawing I do, I use these basic shapes and simple methods to get it correct.
Sir, I drew the eyes little more bigger. But they are of same size.
Okay. They are of same size. Okay, good. Good. I see that. Azad, it looks good.
I've used the guiding line
Yeah.
for bottom and top.
Okay, very nice. Very nice. Nicely done. Okay.
Sir, can you see
Nose
mine?
alone, Azad, you have to make it like horizontal and make it darker. But that's all right. You got the eye correctly, no problems.
So what did you say?
Uh, yeah, you got the eye correctly, no problem. Nose, maybe you can make it darker like this.
Sir, can you see mine?
I'm seeing from Archana. Archana. Yes, Archana, looking good. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு. So it is, as I told earlier, it is tough to see everyone. Sukanya ஓடது நல்லா தான் இருக்கு. Nice, Suganya, looks good.
So now is it darker?
Okay. So, Tejasvi, நல்லா இருக்கு. கண் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பெருசா போடலாம் தேஜஸ்வி.
So now
It's
is it
good.
darker? So now is the nose darker?
Yes, Azad, it is darker now. Now it is good.
Thank you.
Now it is good. Azad. Okay. Okay, Vedesh, it is looking good. Hamsita is looking good. Okay, fine. Let us proceed. Okay, நம்ம அடுத்து போடலாம். I'm going to add details for the eye. Yalini, it is looking good. Okay, so this is good enough. Maybe okay, this is good enough. This guiding lines, we need to erase it. So far, so good. Next, so I'm going to make some. So I'm going to make some more things. See, so I'm just making a line like this. See this line, then this goes like this. Just making line like this. Maybe this can
Sir,
come.
can you tell how you do that again?
So I'm making a line like this. Then I'm just making another line like this.
Sir, these lines also should be of the same size, no, sir?
No, I went. This is the real size. So it is not sharp. Okay, now it is clear. Okay, and in the head, I'm doing some adjustment I'm trying to do, and trying to draw this. This is for the ear. Okay, so this is the same space. There is another ear.
Sir, for the ear, you drew a semicircle or a circle, sir?
So I'm not able to hear you properly because of internet issue, maybe.
Sir, for the ear, did you draw semicircle or circle?
Slowly, you should talk. For the ear, so I did. So in the above the head, we had a line. So I just drew this line. Do this line. Then here I'm making this ear. This kind of half circle for the ear like this. Then I'm just drawing a simple boundary kind of thing. So this is going to be the all the hair going to come there. Um, so so we have the mouth below this. So I'm just making a line here like this, making another line here. I'm just trying to see what is the whole size of the lion, including the hair. So that is what I'm trying to do. So this is the whole size. Okay, this is the whole size. So roughly I'm drawing this. So after this, I'm going to start with the details. Okay, so this, if you get it correct, then your drawing will be very, very good. So not only this, this guiding line, I'm going to erase. The guiding line is in between, in the middle, I drew a line. So that line I'm erasing, right? Below the mouth, below this mouth, I'm just erasing here. Then there is a vertical line. So these are all guiding lines. Okay, so between the eye, this line that I'm erasing it. Also in the eye, and this line going from nose to eye, that also I'm erasing it. Erasing all these lines. There is a line here, so this also I'll erase it. This I make it very light. Okay, so that is all. So this is how we get the symmetry and overall shape of this line. So when we give the details, I'll start from the eye. When we make the hair, I want you to be very patient. Slowly you have to do. Okay, Azad. The ear can be a little smaller, Azad. Look at this. Um, the distance between eye and the ear, that you can note. The distance between eye and the ear, that you can note. Little. So almost everything is correct. Small correction. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing from Archana as well. Archana ear ரொம்ப பெருசாயிடுச்சு. ரொம்ப பெருசானா it looks like it will look like a okay, குட்டி line மாதிரி இருக்கும். That is all right. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Archana, good.
And now there is a distance between ear and eye.
Yes, yes, you have corrected nicely. Okay. Okay, Azad, fine. So let's see how it comes. So I'll tell you, everyone, we are trying, we are just learning. So if things do not come as the way we expect, no problem. This is a practice. So day by day, our skill will improve. Okay, just keep that in mind. Suganya, okay, those lines you have erased. And there is a round, right? And the round one, you can make it, don't make it darker. Suganya, your lines are very dark. So the round, what you made, so that you can make it very light. You can erase it a little bit, make it light. Okay, so we don't want a darker line for that round.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So Tejasvi, ஆராதனா. ஓகே, ஆராதனா. ஆராதனா சூப்பர். நல்லா இருக்கு. கண்ணு ரொம்ப சின்னதாயிருச்சு. பரவாயில்ல. லைன் பாத்துரும். டோன்ட் வரி. நல்லா இருக்கு. ஓகே ஆராதனா, நல்லா இருக்கு. தேஜஸ்வி, இட் இஸ் குட். ஓகே. அகில், குட். சூப்பர். Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
Thank
we'll
you,
start
sir.
filling the details. Okay, Aradhana. So I'm seeing Manav. Varnes, Yalini. Yalini,
Sir?
Two point four. 5G போட்டுருங்க. Okay. Okay, so I hope you have completed. Sandhya காமிக்கிறீங்களா? Okay, nice, nice. Okay, ரெண்டு சர்க்கிள் போட்டிருக்கீங்க. Okay, Sandhya, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is my screen visible, sir?
Sukanya, no, Sukanya, not visible. இப்ப தெரியுது. Okay. Sukanya, அந்த சர்க்கிள் வந்து you have to make it light. அதை erase பண்ணணும் நீங்க. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now, so I'm going closer to the eye. So let's do the eye. Some more details of the eye I'm going to do. So the eye is same. So many classes I was telling it is all same. But the ball, the eyeball for the lion, I'm going to make it a little bigger actually, you know. So inside this, I'm just making this big, round. Okay, so I need to make it in the center. Okay, so let me do it. We try and one more. This also I'll make it bigger actually like this. So in that ball, I'm just making a shape like this. So except that, I'm just making it darker. So the ball, I made it darker, and I just made a shape actually. So I can make it round, but I'm just making kind of small wall kind of thing. So except that, I'm just making it. So now the line started looking. Then the lower line, I am going to make it double line, but very close, very close. Okay, very close. I've just made one line. The upper line, again, I am trying to make it darker actually. So the lower line, I can make one more line like this. That is very, very close. And drawing over the upper line and making it very dark. Okay, so this is good enough.
Sir,
Okay, fine. Okay. So
Sir?
what's your
sir,
see, this is I hope you okay, Sandhya. I hope you audio and Sutin also mentioned you this is the marketing kind of a project. So you will work closely with the business relationship manager.
thank you, sir.
So it's a non-technical work. It's not like you. Okay. Then so in the top, so maybe I can make one more line. The lot of shading I'm going to do. So this kind of shading lines I'm going to do. I just continue doing it. Below the eye, there is going to be a white space. So I am not do not draw darker line. Just draw a lighter line, light line like this. Okay, a light line like this. So here and here. So below this eye and this line, so we will not do any shading. Apart from that, so many other places. So the hair like thing I'm going to do. Maybe I'll do later. I'll do later because let's do other important thing. So what's happening? What's happening in the mouth? So the mouth, we can make this portion thicker actually. So I'm just making this one little thick like this. So in the end also, I'll make it thick like this. Um, okay, then I'm going to make a curve here actually. See, this is like a ball. The mouth is like a ball. So as if it is, we are making some design in the ball. So I'm making this curve. Look at this curve. I just made this curve. So above this two line, below this two line. This one main line. Do it. Above this, I just make one more line. Above this, I make one more line. Below this, I make one more line and one more line. So the same kind of line I should try to draw in the other side also. So one main line I've drawn. Above that, one more line and one more line. So below that, there are one more line or two more line. So after making this light, do not use darker lines, use lighter lines. So after that, you can make these spots actually. You can make these little dots. They are darker spots. You can make. So over that, you can make these darker spots. So we are decorating the line. So So line is going to get into its real shape.
Sir, should the dots be little?
Some I don't know. So is it due to more people joining, or my internet is not good? I don't know. So I'm not able to hear you properly. Kind of your voice is not very clear to me. Okay, just do this.
Done.
The first
That's
thing, I mean, okay, so these dots happen here also. There are the dots below the mouth also. We see some dots. So there are
Sir, can you see mine?
many shadings we are going to do. One important shading, this area is going to be darker actually here. So the below the eye, so look at these lines. So here there is a shading, and here there is a shading, line-based shading. Line-based shading, we were seeing that line-based shading the first sketching class. So like that, this line-based shading. Then look at this, that round thing what we did. So here I'm going to make a lot of shading here. So this main area, and here I'm going to make it darker actually. So this is the point where, so I'm going to make it darker. So maybe before that, so I'm just, there's a lot of hair lines I need to add. I started adding a lot of hair lines, but here it is darker actually. Here it is a little darker. So these lines, so here these lines are like this. So below I, there is a line I have drawn, so within which I will not make these hair lines. When you make these hair lines, the direction of the lines is important. So note the direction in which I'm giving the shade. So this point I have to make it darker actually. So first we got, slowly we drew and we got the proportions correct. So that's very important for any artwork, whatever you're going to make. So going forward, there is a lot of hair-like things I'm going to add, and it is very important. You have to note down the direction in which I'm
Sir,
doing the hairs that you need to make.
sir,
Sandhya should continue, carry on. So I will not be able to see from everyone.
okay, sir.
First, I have seen the basic proportion. இதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து இந்த ஹேர் எல்லாமே நீங்க பார்த்து போடுங்க. So okay, so these all then so in the center between the eyes, there is a place, and here it's going to be, I mean, maybe everywhere we have to draw, but here it is going to be darker actually, definitely. It's going to be darker, and it will be like an eyebrow. So eyebrow should be close to eye. Um, so I can have a line here close to eye. So this I can make it darker. This I can make it darker. This I can, so close to eye. So I'm just making this portion darker. Middle of the head here also. So in the tiger, when we made many lines like this. So in the line also they have these folds. It has. So making this darker. So in the middle also it has. So this kind of patterns it has. Look at this. This kind of patterns I'm drawing. So just making these lines above the nose also, but just above the darker area of the nose, I keep it light. So that area it may be, I just want to keep it white. And this below the eye also, I'm just drawing these lines. Okay, just slowly do it. We have time. We have 40 more minutes. So observe this, and those areas just make it darker, and these hairlines, just do it. So after this, around the line, so we'll make the hair. Then around that, we'll make it very
Sir,
darker background. சொல்லுங்க.
my lion doesn't look very nice on the sides of its nose.
So not able to hear. I hear only SAR. அதுக்கப்புறம் எனக்கு I'm not hearing further.
I'm not getting the lion's face very nice on the side of its nose.
Sorry, எனக்கு சொல்ல கேட்கல. So you try your best, Archana. Okay, so these lines, slowly I'm just making these lines like this. There's a lot of hair lines. So see some, these all places I'm making, but some places it is darker actually. So whichever is darker, so that I made first, so that you know those places it has to be darker. So in the middle there is a darker and like a tiger. So we made, so making these patterns. So I make these hair-like lines everywhere throughout. So even in the next to the nose, we made these dots. So there also, I'm just make. So observe the light lines and dark lines. Okay, so that.
So we shouldn't do the hairlines just near the eyes.
What's happening, Azad?
So we shouldn't do the hairlines near the eyes.
Hairlines near the
Eyes.
yeah, above the eye, everywhere you have to do some light and dark lines, but below the eye, this white area I left, so we should not do it.
Okay, sir.
If you have done it, you can erase it. You can erase it. If you have done it, you can erase it. So few places going to be brighter for this line. Below the eye, it is going to be brighter, and a little above the nose, it's going to be brighter, and the mouth area also, it's going to be brighter. So around this, there's a lot of hair we need to do. So okay, so below the so here look at this kind of lines I do. So below the mouth, I'm making these lines. There's a light lines, then darker lines also I do. So directional lines are important. Try your best, everyone. So this way we can improve it actually. So it will improve. Your skills will improve. So definitely. Look at this below the mouth. I've done like this. Okay. Just see, observe this and try to follow.
So,
Yes.
so can you send a picture or something? It's too pixelated, the one you're showing. So, is there any picture like?
ഇവിടുത്തെ ലൈറ്റ് ഇടുവാ നമുക്ക്
So
വെള്ളം
there could be bandwidth issue, internet issue, in my end or maybe in your end.
നോക്കട്ടെ സാർ പറഞ്ഞ എല്ലാതും കറക്റ്റ് ആണ് ലൈനാണ്
Okay, so I'm moving to the ear. So in the ear, throughout the ear, I need to make these lines. So first I'm starting with making these lines throughout the ear. Then after that, the inner part, I need to make it more darker. So I'm just making it more darker like this. So then around that face, we have to make lots of hair, but it has to follow a particular curve. Um, so observe this curve I'm making it. So observe this curve I'm making it. So you should try to make this kind of curve. So when it comes down, it is more like this.
Sir, for the second year, should we do the same like in the first year?
No, both you have to do it. Um,
Same.
okay. So here also it is same.
Okay, sir.
When you practice more and more these lines, the line quality will improve. Then it will be fantastic.
Sir,
So I
I've
make these
already
lines and okay. So the inside the ear, I make it more darker. This is the see. I'm trying to tell you the approach. Maybe if I want to draw, it's very real. It may take more time, right? But here, so I am teaching you how to start and what is the approach, and we got the basic proportions correct. And the essential wherever it is darker, that we need to make it dark. Then we get it nicely. Maybe we can finish the hair in the top first. So I'm going to finish the hair in the top. Then I'll come to the hair in the side. So during the sketching class, the first class, I used to tell you there is a curvy line you can draw, or there is a straight line you can draw and practice. So this is like the curvy line you're trying to draw. So I'll make a homework of a dog or horse. What do you want? Which animal you want?
dog,
Or
sir.
cat?
Horse.
Horse.
Dog. Okay.
Horse.
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 Okay.
Horse. Dog. Horse.
Horse. Some says horse. Okay.
Mana tornga.
What? Come again? Tell me again. So, so this it's not this line does not comb the hair, right? The hair comes freely beyond the lines. So you have to make the lines. Some lines go beyond this. Beyond this. So this like these are directional uniform lines I did first. Then some places I make it darker. So above the head, make it this base. I will make it darker like this. Second time, I'm just giving a shading. So every shading you can treat like there is a first time, there is a second time. So the second time, first time I made all uniform darkness. Now second time I'm going to make it more darker at few places. So only these two tones will make it very nice and very realistic. So in the pencil sketching, you have to think about these two tones. There are darker lines, there are lighter lines. So now I'm making some darker lines at only few places like this. So there could be hair coming in front of this ear also. One more thing I did not do in the eye. A small shading I want to give in the eye. There's a white space, right? So in that, so I'm going to give some small shading here, little bit from the right side. So look at a little bit small shading I have given. Now looks more real, right? So here also from the left side, small shading I'm going to give. So this looks more better. So here I made darker. Few places here also I'm going to make it darker. With this I can do it in the end. Here also I want to put it darker. Okay, so next thing is the hair around the face. So that is the more challenging, and that's going to take more time. Um, so the directional lines are going to be like this. Okay, from the face, these lines will come like this. So these lines are around the line can be a little bigger, actually, little bigger, like this. Trying to make lots of lines. So I can start doing these lines. So this is the basic direction that I have drawn. So after this, I'll just look at this. I'm going to draw more lines like this.
Sir, I have some school classes right now. Can I leave the meeting?
Okay. Mhm. Okay, fine.
Sir, can you hear me?
So I'm just drawing these lines, more of these lines. Um,
Sir, can you hear me?
so these directional lines you need to do. So the right side I have done. So the left side also I need to do. There is one thing we need to see is that there is some darker space. So next to the face, these lines are more closer, more concentrated. So here it looks like it is more darker at this place, close to the face. So this alone, so there is a uniform line. So here I am making it a little darker like this. Okay. So the same thing I need to do in the left also. First I did with the directional line. Then after that I filled everything with the uniform lines. Then after that, some places you make it darker. So that is the thing I did for the head, as also for the hair here. Um, so now I'm just making these uniform lines. Uniform lines means same thickness. All are having same darkness. Now all are having same darkness. So this area I'll make it more darker lines.
Sir, so we should fully fill the main like this, sir.
What? Very quickly. So I'm just making this area a little more darker. Just hang on, just follow me. So I'll be finishing quickly, maybe next. And there are a couple of techniques also today I want to tell you to make more. So this place I'm just making it more darker. Here also making it darker. So around this face, this area I'm making it darker. Just adding some more lines here. So the hair, so now I can make some darker lines here like this. Few hair bunches or hair strands. I'm making it darker like this. So these, if you slowly, if you do it, then you get great results. So this area, I have to make it dark. Again, I'm trying to make this area more dark, more and more darker. And there are few techniques to make white lines. Just slowly, do not lose your patience. Slowly do it.
Sir, now it looks like it's full of hair. The ears are not visible, sir.
Could not hear fully. Now ears. Okay. What else? Some small lines here also I'm just doing. The proportions and the lines, you have to get it correct. So ears are gone. So I read your text. Ears are gone. Yeah, ears are still there. Little bit. These lines you can see, but otherwise it is like that actually. For the line, it looks like that. So behind the ears also I can draw some lines. Okay, so in the given time, this is what we can do. There is one more thing I want to tell you. Making some places you maybe you want to make some white lines. How do you do it? There are two techniques. Okay, so one is that you have your eraser. So with the eraser, one side you can make it sharp and you can erase it and make a white line. Otherwise, if you look at this, I have a pencil. This is called eraser pencil. This pencil in the front, it is made of eraser actually. So this is very interesting, right? Or you can make your eraser sharp. That is one way. Otherwise, there is a pencil. It's eraser pencil. So using this, I can make. I can because so I want to draw the lines. There is going to be long mushes like this. Okay, so these lines go like this. So they mostly they appear white. So this darker area, so in this to make it white,
Sir,
There are two methods what we can do.
my lines are very dark and I don't have a.
There are two methods before drawing. No, don't worry, don't worry. Just listen. Before making it, you can make a hard line actually with your knife or something. So before that, that is one method. So over that, if you do the shading, it will not come off. Otherwise, we have this method wherein you can erase it actually. This is one method. So one method, look at this, I'm erasing and just making this white line here actually. So this is one method. So you can use your eraser. Okay, so this is one method. So one more rough method we have. Okay, so look at these white lines. I could make it, right? There is one more method that is more interesting that you can do definitely. So those who have completed the watercolor class, I have asked you to buy that white pen. Okay, so you can use that white pen also.
Sir, but I haven't bought the white pen.
Yes, you can use. Look at this. So with this eraser, I'm just erasing like this. This is one other method. Otherwise, I can use the white
Sir,
pen.
but
Using white pen, look at this.
sir,
So here I'm going to use it, this white pen.
sir, my lines are very dark.
Just try. This is also another method actually. So there are different methods. So I know that all of you will not have this white pen. All of you maybe from various different classes, but just remember these simple techniques. So otherwise, what I do is that there is another simple method is that I take this knife kind of thing. So I make these lines before drawing. Okay. Um, so that I can, how do I show you? So I can maybe I can draw these lines. Look at this. I'm just making these lines now.
Sir, I'm done.
So with this knife,
Sir, I'm done.
yeah, சொல்லுங்க.
சார் இது இந்த எரேசர் பென் யூஸ் பண்ணலாமா?
So I make these lines now. Okay. So after this, I'm going to make darker lines.
Sir, is this good?
This
பாருங்க என்னமோ அமுச்சு வச்சிருக்கா பாருங்க.
this I'm using this side of the.
சந்தியா அக்கா என்ன பண்றா?
Just hang on. Just wait.
சந்தியா
சுகன்யா விளையாடுது.
Just wait. I'll see your works.
ஏய்
So there is another way is that you can make your
சாய் ஒரு
knife and
சாய் வரா.
make like this. Then after that, see, around this, I'm going to make darker shading. This is my EE very dark pencil. Using this, look at this. I'm going to make it quite dark. So this around this line, I'm going to make it very dark. When I make very dark, you see this? Do you observe this? Look at this white lines coming. Right? You see this white lines showing up here. So that is another way. Look, white lines coming up. Okay, so that's another way. So just wait for me. I'll quickly complete this. So I want to make, as I said earlier, I want to make the background darker. So I'm just making this background darker. So observe these white lines coming up. This is another third method. So there are different methods. One is that eraser method, another is white pen you can use, another is before that you need to draw this line using some hard. So this is the most darkest pencil, which is EE pencil Staedtler. I use this. So I'm just making around the tiger. I'm making around the line. I'm making this darker.
Sir, is the drawing done? I don't
But
have.
making it darker so it looks better.
Sir, I don't have a knife like that. Sir, I don't have a knife like that one.
So you can use anything actually. There are various things you can use. See, this is my normal knife. This because all I need is this sharp edge. Not, but if you don't use this side, if you use paper will tear off. Don't use this side. Okay, so I'm using this side. This I can use, or my spoon I can use. Okay, anything what you grab. So I can use this also. Anything you can use to make that. Okay, so I can use this
Sir, can I use
also. Look at this
creeper?
here. I'll do it. Then I'll show. Yeah, scraper you can use. Scraper is the right thing. Okay, so I use these lines. Look at this. So when I make it, then you get that white thing. So you can use anything actually. So look at this. I get this white line. There's a thin, small, nice, beautiful white line. I get it. So let me quickly complete this. Then I'll see your works. So to make this one uniform, so you know what to do. You can blend also. Okay. If anyone having charcoal pencil, you can use charcoal pencil. This EE pencil itself is like a charcoal pencil. So let's make it very dark. So now it is very dark. It's looking good. So with the same darker pencil, I can think of making this area also darker. I'm going to do some final touches. So few areas in the line, I'm going to make it darker because this is more darker pencil. Just using it. Even eye also I can make it darker. The ear I can make it darker. That's okay. That is good enough. So kind of I'm done with this. So I can, at least I'll use this to make these lines, this darker thing. This I want to make it darker. Now I'm just working on this hair again. These directional curves I'm doing it. Now the hair, few lines I make it darker. How is your singam looks like? Singam alama masari dan. Nakil, how is your singam? Okay, this is good enough. And in the background, you can blend also. For blending, you can use your earbud. There is a simple earbud, right? This earbud. You can take this earbud in the background. I can do like this, and that becomes very soft. You can use earbud, or you can use the blender tool. There is a blender tool. Blending tool is there actually. So that does perfect job. It's the blending tool which you can buy from the shop, art supply store.
Sir, I used the old scraper tool and it's working.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah. So that's a technique actually. That's all. So you can, next time you can use it. So next time when I draw, so I'll do those lines first actually below the beard of the line.
But it's little bit not visible. But it's actually white.
That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, it will be like that actually. The line will be very thin and it will be like that. Okay, so I stop here.
Sir, I'm done.
Then now you can show your works. Maybe after some time, maybe I'll improve a little bit. Few more lines I'll add it with a darker pencil after this class. Okay.
Sir, this is my artwork.
Okay, I'm seeing from Azad. Okay, Azad. Okay, the lower round beard. Okay, Azad, looks good. The eyes have come very well. Ear, you need to add more lines in the ear. Okay, the background, if you make it darker, then it will look like this. Otherwise, basic shape is good. Okay, good work, Azad. Good work. I'm going to see from Swarnesh. Swarnesh, ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Very, very nice. அந்த மூக்குக்கும் you can make it darker actually. Okay. For the nostrils, you made it dark. For the whole nose, you can make it dark. Eyes are really good. The hair also, you try to add nicely. Okay, good work. Good work, Swarnesh.
Sir, now are the ears good? Darker ears.
Eyes are really good. Hair is good. Yeah. Hair
Ears.
is good. Okay, looks good, Azad. But I mean, okay. Okay, ear also you made it dark. Okay, that is good. Yeah. Good work. Good work. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good work. Yeah. Hamsita, I'm seeing from Hamsita. Hamsita, very nice. Quick and alla panitingle. Very, very good.
Sir, instead of an
Very good. Background
earbud,
is
what can we use to make it soft, sir?
Hamsita. Who else is showing? Yeah, is showing. Sandhya is showing. Sandhya, okay. Nalla irukku. Sandhya, good. Eyes are very good. When you add more hair, it will be more better actually. Okay, Sandhya. Okay, good work. Just let's keep practicing, then you get better and better. Okay. Okay, so where are Suganya? Suganya is showing. Suganya, it is good. Lines la nalla irukku. The lines can be more curvy. Valanju போடணும் அந்த மாதிரி hair.
Okay, sir.
Then it will be good.
Okay,
Basic
sir.
shape is good. Yeah, basic.
Thank
Will
you,
improve
sir.
after more classes. Good work. Yeah. Okay. Good, good. Sukanya. Okay. I'm seeing from Nandan. Okay, Nandan நல்லா இருக்கு. கண் கொஞ்சம் மேல போயிடுச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன், but the hair lines are good. The eyes could be little bigger actually, but that is all. The eye line கொஞ்சம் மேல போயிடுச்சு, but the basic shape is good. நல்லா இருக்கு. Good work. Nandan.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to see from Aradhana. Just wait, we are seeing one by one. So ஆராதனா நல்லா இருக்கு ஆக்சுவலா. பேக்ரவுண்ட்ல டார்க் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, வெரி வெரி நைஸ். அந்த மூக்கு இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பெருசா இருக்கணும், பட் தட்ஸ் ஆல் ரைட். ஆக்சுவலி லைன்ஸ் நல்லா போட்டிருக்கீங்க. குட் ஒர்க், குட் அட்டெம்ப்ட், குட் ஒன். ஓகே, குட் ஒர்க் ஆராதனா. ஓகே, so I'm seeing from Vedesh. பேக்ரவுண்ட் டார்க் நல்லா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. தி இயர்ஸ் அந்த அளவுக்கு தெரியல. ஹேர் லைன்ஸ் சில immediately around the face you have to make it darker. நல்லா இருக்கும். ஓகே, பேசிக் ஷேப் நல்லா இருக்கு, லைன். ஓகே, வெரி குட் ஒர்க் வேதேஷ்.
Thank you, சித்தப்பா.
சுவல்
நான் முரளி சித்தப்பா, நான் வந்து ஃபுல் இந்த பக்கம்
ஓகே,
கருப்பு பாத்துருவா.
நித்திலா.
ஓகே, இது யார்? மிதிலாவா?
நித்திலா.
மிதிலாவா? மிதிலா நல்லா இருக்கு, நல்லா இருக்கு. டார்க்கா பண்ணனும், டார்க்கா போட்டு கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணா it will be fantastic. Okay, good work.
Thank you.
To see ஹம்சிதா டார்க்கா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, வெரி குட். ஃபாஸ்டா டார்க்கா பண்ணிட்டீங்க, லுக்ஸ் வெரி குட் ஹம்சிதா, நல்லா இருக்கு.
Thank you, sir. Can I
Very good
leave?
work Hamsita. All the hair everything is good, good work. Okay, I hope I've seen from all. Anyone? Swarnesh, Aradhana, Sandhya, Hamsita, Tejasvi,
Sir?
can you show?
sir நான் இன்னொரு டிவைஸ்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கேன் சார், நான் அதுல இருந்து காமிக்கிறேன்.
Okay. Sensing from Yalini ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. Symmetry beautifully you got. இந்த நெத்தியில இருக்கிற இதுக்கு வந்து லைன்ஸா போடணும். Looks like ஒரு கோடு மாதிரி இருக்கு. Can be more hair lines. Okay, okay, good work. I like all the hair and all the lines are good. Okay, so I'm going to see from Tejasvi. Good work Yalini. Yeah, so Tejasvi நீங்க பின்னாடி போட்டுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. When you add more hair, then it will be more better actually. Good work.
Okay,
good work. I like the symmetry. அப்புறம் மவுத் பாத்தீங்கன்னா லோவர் பார்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கு, ரைட்? ஸோ அது வந்து நம்ம ஸ்டார்டிங்ல கரெக்டா வரையும்போது கரெக்டா வரையணும். அதர்வைஸ் டீடைல்ஸ் ஆர் குட், ஐஸ் ஆர் குட், இயர் இஸ் குட். ஓகே, அப்புறம் சுத்திலும் I don't want a clear line, so you need to draw the hair lines. You need to draw more and you need to connect. Okay, good work Tejasvi. Okay, so I'm going to show, this is Akhil sitting next to me. Akhil has done this. So Akhil studying 7th standard, 7th, 8th. Okay, so Akhil சுத்தியும் டார்க் பண்ணனும், then it will be good. Nice work. அப்புறம் the hair are good, curvy lines you need to do it. Okay, good work Akhil. Okay, fine. So we are done with today's class. So next week same time it is going to be oil pastels. Okay, be ready with your oil pastels. Those who have already done oil pastels, they can join. Okay, only those oil pastels who has done already, they can join. Okay,
Sir, can I leave?
bye everyone. Yeah, I'm also leaving.
Bye, சித்தப்பா.
Bye Azad.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
everyone.
sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you for teaching, சித்தப்பா. Bye.
Bye.
Sir, bye, sir.